Namaste students. In this video, we are going to see exercise 4.4 first problem. Find the nature of the roots. Find the nature of the roots. You have to find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real roots exist, then you have to find the value of x. Clear? First, to find the nature of the roots, which formula we have to apply? Which one we have to find? Discriminant. First you have to find discriminant. What is the discriminant formula? B square is equal to 4AC. B square is equal to 4AC. Then you have to find what is A, B and C. What is A? By which we have to compare ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare with the quadratic equation general form and find the value of A. A is 2, B is minus 3 and C is 5. Then you have to apply in the discriminant formula. Minus b the whole square, minus 3 the whole square, minus 4 into 2 into 5. Next, 9 minus 4 2s are 8 and 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So 9 minus 40 is minus 31. This is the value is negative. The value of the discriminant we got is minus 31, that is less than 0. If we got less than 0 means the roots will be imaginary. The roots will be not real. Okay. The roots of quadratic equation. Which quadratic equation? 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 will not be real. Will not be a real value. Okay, we can stop here itself. Okay, if it is real only, we can proceed and we can find the value of x. If it is not real, we can stop here itself. Next, second subdivision problem in the first sum, exercise 4.1. Okay, here also you have to find the nature of the roots. If it exists, you have to find the value of x. Clear, students? Okay, first we have to find the discriminant. First write the formula. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. And compare the given question with the quadratic equation general form. Quadratic equation general form. Find the value of a, b and c. A is equal to 3. B is equal to minus 4 root 3. C is equal to 4. C is equal to 4. Clear, all of you? Now substitute in this formula. Minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. Multiply minus 4 root 3 into minus 4 root 3. We have a square now, so you have to write 2 times and multiply this one separately. Okay, minus into minus plus. 4 4s are 16. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 6 3s are 18. Then 3 1s are 3, 4, 48. Clear all of you? 48 minus 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So you got 0. If you got 0, the roots will be equal. Clear? If it is 0, your roots will be equal. Roots are real as well as equal. Clear all of you? Real and equal. These equal roots can be found by using quadratic equation formula. Clear? So, now I am going to find the value of x by using the quadratic equation formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula, and substitute all the values of a, b, c. Minus of minus 4 root 3 plus or minus b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant value, we can write it here. No? So 0 divided by 2 into 3. Discriminant value we can write straight away, that is b square minus 4ac value is 0. So I have written 0 here. Minus into minus plus 4 root 3 plus or minus 0 divided by 2 3s are 6. Clear? Next, 4 root 3 divided by 6. We can take out the 0. We can cancel this 2 number in 2 table. 2 root 3 divided by 3. Therefore, the roots will be, you can ask, miss, we got one value only here. No, not like that. This is a, we can write this 2 times. Clear? Hence, the roots, or we can write 2 times. 2 root 3 divided by 3 and 2 root 3 divided by 3. The 2 real as well as equal roots. If we got nature of the roots be 0 means we will get real and equal roots. Clear? Next, third subdivision problem. First we have to find the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Compare with the quadratic equation form ax square plus bx plus c. Compare this general form with the question and find the value of a, b, c. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Substitute all the values and you got 12. 12 is a positive value, that is greater than 0. If we are getting the positive value means we will get real and distinct roots. The roots of the quadratic equations are real and distinct. Now we can find the value of x by using the quadratic formula. X is equal to, what is the quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Apply all the values. Minus of minus 6 plus or minus root 12. Discriminant value you can write here because b square minus 4ac is nothing but the discriminant formula. Okay, 2 into 2. 6 plus or minus root 12 divided by 4. You can take root for root 12. For that you have to find the factor first. 12 2 times 6 2 3 and if you take a root means we can take a 2 outside, so 2 root 3 will be the answer. instead of root 12 you can write 2 root 3, and 6 and 2 both the numbers are divisible by 2, so you can take the 2 outside and we can cancel with the denominator. So the remaining value is x is equal to 3 plus or minus root of 3 divided by 2. So the value of x for this quadratic equation is 3 plus or minus root of root 3 divided by 2. Hence the roots of the quadratic equations are 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. That is, one value is with positive and another value is negative. That is real and distinct values. Both are different values. Okay. 3 plus root 3 divided by 2 and 3 minus root 3 divided by 2. Thank you, children. If you have any doubt how to find the nature of the roots, means in the description box I gave a link about the introduction of quadratic equation. See that introduction part and clarify your doubts how to find the nature of the roots, everything. Thank you.